After a long day of fishing, a young man notices something unusual about his fishing line. It feels different, but what could it be? Driven by curiosity, he decides to test the line. To his shock, he discovers that the fishing line is made of pure gold, weighing 15 grams. What seemed like an ordinary piece of equipment turned out to hold an unexpected treasure. Who would have thought something so simple could hide such unimaginable wealth? May we all be as lucky as this young man, finding unexpected treasures in the most unlikely places. May our fortunes always be abundant.